We traveled blank train. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is by. He placed the cup blank the table. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is on. The school is blank, the mosque and the market. What is the correct preposition? The correct answer is between. The boy ran blank the road. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is across. Fish swim blank the water. What is the correct preposition? The correct preposition is in. She looked blank the window. What is the correct preposition? The correct preposition is through. The cat climbed blank the tree. What is the correct preposition? The correct answer is onto. The children are playing blank the garden. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is in. He came blank the room quietly. The correct answer is into. The airplane landed blank the airport. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is at. The shoes are blank the bed. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is under. She sat blank her brother and sister. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is between. The train passed blank the tunnel. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is through. He works blank a bank. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is at. We meet blank the evening. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is in. The boy jumped blank the pool. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is into. The lamp is blank the sofa. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is beside.